Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box of Funko Pops. Now I ordered this box thanks to my friends Gumballs, Wizards and Witches on Instagram. They posted not too long ago about this box and it was quite a good deal, and I do like a mystery box, especially where Funkos are concerned, because I'm quite indecisive. So when I saw this and saw that they were exclusive items, I just had to get it. As per usual, hang on. We've got a Millie. So any weird grunting sounds, snoring sounds, I don't know, just weird dog noises, they're not from me, they're from her, as per usual. Anyway, let's open this. So here's the box. How cool is that? I absolutely love it. I bought this from a website called Double Box Toys, I believe. I always get it wrong. I think in total with postage it was £54. Now these items are American, I believe. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I've not done too much research into it. I was just far too excited about the idea of a mystery box of Funkos. But the pricing on the back is $29.99. So that's making me believe that they are all exclusive to America, maybe. I'm not too sure. Anyway, I'm rambling on. I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, from what I've seen of the boxes, I think it's probably a pretty good deal. So yeah, £54 all in all. Not too bad. Oh my god. Already, this is the best thing I have ever bought. Only at GameStop, so is that like an American shop? I'm not sure. But look at this. I'm going to take it out because it's too shiny. It's a shrunken head Funko Pop pen. I mean, can you get cooler than that? And it's my favourite colour, purple too. I'm so happy with that. I've been wanting one of these. I actually haven't seen them in real life though. I've seen them online, but that's about it. It's a 5-star, is that what they're called? 5-star little figures, and it's Harry in his Quidditch robes with a little tent. What I like about these is you get the accessories and they are removable, so like especially for kids you can actually play with them, whereas the usual Funkos, they have all the accessories and you can't really do anything with them. It looks like his arms move as well. That is so cute. I love it. Oh my god. Okay, if you follow me for a while, you'll know who my two favourite characters are. Sirius Black is one of them. Bellatrix is the other one, but Sirius... Oh my god, and he's in his Azkaban gear. I need to open it. This is the best thing. And these are quite expensive. Sirius Blacks always go for like £20 to £30. You can never get a cheap one. Like, I think I paid... Where's Bellatrix? For this Bellatrix, the normal kind of clothes one, I think she was £12. But if I try and get Bellatrix in an Azkaban gear, she's like at least £20. It's a nightmare. I keep putting it on my Christmas list, so hoping for the best. But yeah, that'll be so cool to have Bellatrix in her Azkaban gear and Sirius in his next to each other. I'm far too excited about this. Oh my god, he is so cute. He's even. I don't know if you can see. I mean, it's just not focusing at all. But without pulling his head off. Kind of see it. He's got his tattoos. That is something that just amazes me with Funkos. They put every tiny little detail in it. And for such a simplistic looking figure, they do pretty well. I am in love. This is the best thing ever. This box is worth it just for this. No, there's one more item. Oh, it's a mystery mini, but it's actually got Snape on. Well, Bogart Snape. So does that mean that that's who's inside? It's quite strange. It does. Oh my god. This light is far too bright. Hold on. Ugh. He's even got like little... This is not going well, guys. Little lace gloves on. That is so cute. Not lace, like fishnetty type things. I mean, I'm sure that's meant to be a fox, but it looks like a cat. Well, two cats holding hands. But that is so cute. Again, even in the little tiny ones, there's so much detail. Like there's all kind of texture on his heart. I love it. This is the best thing ever. Okay, so overall, I'm very happy with this box. And if they ever do another one, I mean, I'm gonna be very poor because I'm gonna buy them all, obviously, but finally a serious Funko Pop. I'm so happy. And this is just the cutest thing. And not forgetting little Harry as well. This is not a bad box at all. I will put all the details below in the description section, so you can order one yourself. Like I'll pop a link in there. I mean, I pre-ordered mine and it took a little while to come, and I do believe a few people still haven't received theirs from when they've pre-ordered, so just imagine the high demand. You may have to wait a little while for delivery, but it's definitely worth it, as you've just seen. I'm not sure what the other items are that you can possibly get. I'm not sure, but I think there's a different variation of Sirius that you can get, but I didn't really look too much because I didn't want to, you know, like where you really want something and then if it turned up and I didn't get that thing in the box, I would have been gutted, and then probably would have ended up buying another one, which is not good for anyone at all, and definitely not good for my bank account. So I just kind of press pre-order like a lunatic. So you can have a look at that more yourselves. But yeah, it was definitely worth it. Millie sounds absolutely fed up. I swear she hates me doing these. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video. Comment below, tell me what your favourite thing is. Let me know if you're going to order one, or if you already have ordered one, tell me what you got. Tell me what you got in the box. And don't forget to subscribe, it would really mean a lot to me. Thanks so much, bye.